Hi, I'm John Godoy, Leadership Communication Trainer. Have you ever thought about using the Kaizen method to become a better public speaker, better leadership communicator? It's fascinating how many leaders struggle with overcoming the fears and anxieties that come with public speaking when running meetings, giving important presentations. Well, a very powerful strategy to overcome that is to follow the Kaizen principle of small incremental improvement. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 strategies to do just that. Let's start with small doses of consistent practice. In order to do this, all you need to do is set aside 10 to 15 minutes a day to practice your presentations, your speeches, public speaking in front of a mirror or in front of a video recorder. Over time, this small consistent practice will help develop the confidence and will help make a lot of the techniques that you want to make part of your natural behavior, your instinctual communication style, ingrained inside of you. So that is the strategy. Small incremental practice sessions. The next strategy is to ask trusted colleagues or mentor whom you know will give you honest and candid feedback in terms of your performance for feedback. Ask them for one thing that you did well and one thing that you can improve upon. And you do this by going through a run-through with them or asking them how you came across during a meeting, post-meeting. And by simply asking them those questions and asking them to be candidly honest with you, that will help you get better for the next time. And if you start regularly doing this and implementing what it is that they say, you will see that your progress will significantly increase over the course of time. And then with that, so will your confidence. The next strategy is to embrace incremental challenges. And what this means is to intentionally increase the complexity of the situations that you place yourself into in terms of public speaking or presentation environments. So for example, if you're used to speaking in front of your team, people that you know quite well, where there's a comfort level, there isn't as much stress. Maybe the next situation is you volunteer to speak in front of a team that is not your own, or at a departmental meeting or a divisional meeting, or perhaps at an event outside of your organization where you don't necessarily know anybody. Over the course of time, gradually increasing this complexity of challenge that you're placing yourself in will significantly increase your confidence and will really enhance your ability to speak in front of any group in any situation. So let's recap. The 3 strategies that we've covered are: number 1, small consistent practice; number 2, getting regular feedback from colleagues or mentors; and lastly, number 3, regular incremental challenge. If you found this video useful, I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I have plenty of educational videos on facilitation, public speaking, as well as interpersonal communication for mastering leadership communication. If you're interested in a workshop for your team or your organization, you can learn more at my website, www.johngodoy.com, or contact me at john@johngodoy.com. We can get in touch.